Hello, in this video you will learn how to create applications for iOS and macOS at same time. First open the new Xcode and click create a new Xcode project. Select the single view app and next. Now you have to enter your product name. I'm going to use example. Here is the where we have to enter our application name. If you already have a developer account, please select that here. If not, continue with the none. If you use macOS, you are not able to run that application on your Mac because you must have developer account registered. If you only run this on your iPhone, you will able to run that on your test device, not real device. And organization name, simply you can enter your organization name and the organization identifier. This is the where application identify your app. Right, after this bundle identifier, organization identifier, you can see this example that's getting from this product name, and language is saved. Make sure you have selected user interface as storyboard because we are using storyboard for build our app. Next. Right, now you have to choose a location where your application will be saved. I'm going to put a folder in desktop directory, example Apple. That's my folder name. In that folder, I'm going to create particular application. Click create. Right. Okay, this is our application. Now, if you select this project name here, you can see the target devices. If you want to run this on your Mac, please press this tick called Mac. Now they are requesting for enable Mac support, and these are their message. Click enable. Now if you want to run this on your Mac, remember I said you must have a developer account. In general tab, you can see the right side of this general tab. There is a sign in and capabilities. Here you can select the developer team. If you not have registered a developer account, please visit developer.apple.com/programs/enroll. Here is the where you can start your enrollment. By the way, you have to sign into your iOS iCloud account. You know that account which you use it in your iPhone or your Mac. Right, I'm not going to continue on that. I already have selected my developer account here. Now I can run this on my Mac. Here, make sure you have selected my Mac and press the run button. Now you can see this is our application, but it is empty. Then let's add some layout components. Can you see this main.storyboard file? Click that. Not double press, just click. Here is our iPhone layout. I want to choose my Mac layout. Here you can see this device icon. By clicking that, you can press My Mac to choose the layout. Right. If you again want to select iPhone or iPad, here's the options. Now I'm going to add layout component called segment control to this layout. By dragging it to the layout, I can drop it here. I want to add layout constraint for that. By pressing this and clicking this add new constraints button, I can add left side constraint and right side and the top. Great. Now let's add three constraints. Right. If you choose iPhone, you can see this is fine also in the iPhone, but I'm using my Mac. Great. Now let's run. Right. Let's add another layout component for this layout. I'm going to add a text field. You can also type it here in objects area. Let's drag it here and also add new constraints. The top constraint is I'm going to use 12 and left and right. These values are automatically will converted into float points, right? You see 12.0. That means we can also add points values. Great. Let's also run. Right. Let's run this in iPhone. I'm going to choose iPhone 11 Pro Max. It will take a while. You see, this is our app. Thank you.